Aloha, my name is Nelson Nigel, and I'm the founder of Kidmoto Technologies here in New York City. What is Kidmoto? Kidmoto is a mobile app that connects traveling parents with small children to drivers that provide pre-harnessed and pre-installed child car seats for airport transportation. At Kidmoto, we say ditch the car seats when flying with a baby. So on your next trip, you can just use the Kidmoto app, ditch the car seats when flying with a baby, and you'll be well taken care of, and forget about it. Here's the problem. Taxis and car services do not provide pre-harnessed or pre-installed child car seats, and therefore parents are always left wondering, how do I travel with a baby? Well, at Kidmoto, drivers are professionally trained to pre-harness and pre-install child car seats to make your lives easier. Imagine now you can travel and leave the car seats at home, and that's what we do at Kidmoto because we want to make your lives easier. Imagine traveling with an infant, we provide infant child car seats. If you're traveling with a larger toddler, we provide rear-facing child car seats to make your lives easier. Even if you need a front-facing car seat, we also provide that also. Kidmoto drivers provide front-facing and rear-facing car seats to make your lives easier. Ladies and gentlemen, download the Kidmoto app and ditch the car seats when flying with a baby. We're here to help you, ladies and gentlemen. We know traveling with children is hard. There's lots of luggage, the strollers, the extra material. Forget about it. It's hard. Ladies and gentlemen, who wants to travel with a car seat? It's tricky. Installing child car seats is very tricky. Rear-facing, front-facing. Forget about it, ladies and gentlemen. It gets hard and cumbersome. Who wants to do that? Ditch the car seats when flying with a baby. Download the Kidmoto app. We make it easy. Kidmoto is available in many cities across America, and we're here to make your lives convenient, safe, and stress-free. Download the Kidmoto app and leave the car seats to us. Now you're asking, Nelson, show me the car seats. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we provide convertible car seats to fit all children. And of course, children come in all sizes, even booster seats. Ladies and gentlemen, download the Kidmoto app and ditch the car seats when you're flying with a baby.